Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi TTS Coupe Black Edition S-Tronic finished in the modern Glacier White metallic paintwork. This 2020 model comes with a petrol engine with 306 PS and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 20-inch glossy black alloy wheels with S-badged calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, black electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle, including TTS badging at the front and rear, and a stylish TT badged petrol cap for that extra touch of luxury. There is also a fixed black rear spoiler for that extra sporty look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 305-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim in express red for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, along with a digital cockpit, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, a climate control, a central console, and embossed front full leather sport seats in express red. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. From the cockpit, you can also access the main menu where you can access a full view of the radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Moving across, the stylish climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, a MMI controller, a cup holder, a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment with an additional hidden cup holder, and an additional retractable hidden compartment that features a wireless charging pad with 2 additional USB charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.